This is Craig. I'm at the wonderful Austin Nature Center. These are butterfly weed, or tuberosa milkweed, blooming here. It's May 14th, 2018. These are beautiful, and of course the nectar plant that populated the prairie before the soil was disturbed for farming, and now of course common milkweed has taken over the landscape. This is a beautiful echinacea, one of the #1 pollinator plant other than tuberosa. Tuberosa is the best nectar plant that was ever native on the landscape of the United States of America, folks. Also called pleurisy root, and just like I said, just plain old butterfly weed. This is Craig the Butterfly Man standing here with the salamander lady.
Hello.
Over and out. Demonstration pollen. Get your own pollinator habitat. Google CraigTheButterflyMan.com. Over and out.
I have a question.
Hang on a second.